Right, then what we got here? Who knows? Let's just open this sucker up. Let's pull that off, we pull that off. And we bin that. Look at that. Right, what we got here? Oh no, oh, do we push it? Do we throw it? Do we bin it? What do you do? There we go. Certificate of conformity. There we go. Now then, what we got here, look. So, all will be revealed. Let's crack on. So that's it then, right? That's what you do. You stick that up your snotch and you adjust it a bit. And then you leave it for 10 minutes apparently. God knows what it's supposed to do. Might make me beautiful. Who knows, eh? Yeah, you get sucked into these suckers on TikToky. I don't know, you know, let's get to well. It's supposed to be dog's bollocks this, but I can't see it myself. Anyway, crack on. That's what it is, look. That's what it's doing. God knows. God knows.